Hello everyone, my name is Deekshith Bekal from SIT Mangaluru. Today I am going to explain about light fidelity. It is a new way to send data information using light instead of radio waves. It's like a fast internet uh, flashlight that can share information quickly. Uh, Wi-Fi is a special way to use light to send information, just like how we use the Wi-Fi. Instead of radio waves, it uses blinking lights to send messages really fast. It's like sending secret light signals that carry photos, videos, and more, making internet even quicker and safer. How does it works? Wi-Fi uses light to send information, just like a secret code. The light blinks so fast that our eyes can't see it, but a special receiver can catch these light blinks. These blinks are like a language of ones and zeros, just like in computer. The receiver turns these lights blinks into messages like photos and videos. This happens so fast that like having super fast internet using light instead of radio waves. So when you have to when you have Wi-Fi light in one place and Wi-Fi receiver in other place, they can talk each other using super fast flashlight light blinks. It makes sending messages with the light flashes. As you can see here, server and internet provide streaming contents. These are received by lamp driver, and LED lamps are convert and LED lamps are um, emitting light. This is detected by photo detector and it to amplification and processing, and this is received by our devices. Advantages of Wi-Fi is fast data transfer. Wi-Fi can send information much faster than regular Wi-Fi. Extra secure. Since Wi-Fi uses light, it doesn't travel through the walls like Wi-Fi does. This makes it harder for people to stop your data. No interference. Wi-Fi doesn't get mixed up with the other wireless signals. Healthy and green. Wi-Fi uses light that's already around us, so it doesn't create extra radiation. Great in crowded places.